Plot twist? That loud growl in your stomach is not your body screaming for a sandwich. It is actually a cleaning crew at work. Yes, your gut has a janitor, and it gets very loud when the dishes are done. The real name for that growl is borborygmus. Say it 5 times fast. It comes from your stomach and small intestine squeezing air, fluid, and leftover food through long muscular tubes, like toothpaste through a hose. Your gut is always squeezing, even right now. These waves are called peristalsis. Smooth muscle rings contract one after another, pushing whatever is inside forward, whether it is dinner, water, or just a pocket of trapped air. When the tube is full of food, the squeezing is quiet. Food muffles the sound, like a pillow over a speaker. You digest, you absorb, and your gut works in peaceful silence behind the scenes. But once your meal moves on, the tube is mostly empty. Now those same muscle squeezes are pushing nothing but air and juice through a hollow pipe. That is when things start getting noisy in there. Here's the cool part. About 2 hours after eating, your gut starts a special program called the migrating motor complex. Think of it as the night shift janitor sweeping crumbs, bacteria, and gas down the hallway. This sweep keeps bacteria from setting up camp in your small intestine. Without it, microbes would multiply, party, and cause real trouble. So that embarrassing growl in a quiet meeting is actually your body protecting you. So why does it sound so loud? Your abdomen acts like a drum. The intestines are looped, twisted, and surrounded by tight muscle walls. Air moving through them echoes, and the sound carries straight out through your belly. Now, hunger does play a small role. When your stomach has been empty for a while, your brain releases ghrelin. Ghrelin tells the gut to crank up those cleaning waves harder, which makes the growl even louder. Other growl boosters, gulping air while eating, fizzy drinks, beans, and dairy if you are lactose intolerant. All of these add extra gas to the pipe. More gas plus the same muscle waves equals a tiny brass band in your belly. When should you actually worry? Almost never. But if growling comes with pain, bloating, weight loss, or bathroom drama that just will not quit, that is your gut waving a flag. Time to see a doctor and get it checked. So next time your belly sings in the middle of class, smile. That sound is not weakness or starvation. It is a tiny janitor, a hormone messenger, and a muscular drum, all working together to keep your gut clean and healthy.